Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Healthy Life. A bright smile is a sign of health and increasingly is being seen as a symbol of wealth and success. If your pearly whites are lacking luster and looking yellow, you might be feeling self-conscious about it. Luckily, you can whiten them from the comfort of your home. Avoiding the food and activities that discolor teeth is a good start. Beyond that, there are many at-home ways to whiten your teeth that are easy, pain-free, and relatively cheap. These are some of the best options available. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, don't forget please to click the subscribe button and the bell icon below, and for sure if this video helps you give us a thumbs up somewhere along the way. Your teeth are porous, so they soak up the color of things you eat and drink. Each time you drink a red wine or eat something dark like a berry, you stain your teeth a little bit. Over time, these stains build up and yellow the overall color of your teeth. Over time, as you eat a normal diet, your teeth naturally change color. Smoking also yellows teeth significantly. Knowing which foods are particularly tooth-staining can help you remember to use a straw, make conscious eating choices, and watch for signs of teeth yellowing. Teeth can also turn yellow for non-diet-related reasons. Certain medications can yellow your smile, and excessive fluoride intake and dry mouth also play a role. Genetics is also a large contributing factor to yellowing teeth. The only way to reverse this change is through active stain removal tactics like teeth whitening. You could try some more natural teeth whitening methods. First up is baking soda and hydrogen peroxide, which is an inexpensive option. Baking soda is a mild abrasive and will scrub away surface stains, as well as help kill bacteria. Hydrogen peroxide, on the other hand, is a natural bleaching agent, which also kills bacteria. When you combine the two, you get the best of both worlds. The recipe for this homemade toothpaste is 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide and 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Mix it into a paste and use your toothbrush to brush it on for 2 minutes before rinsing your mouth thoroughly. You should see whiter teeth in a few weeks. For the safest results, use 3% hydrogen peroxide and make a fresh batch each time you brush. You'll also want to limit it to a few times per week to avoid eroding your enamel. This teeth whitening hack has been around for a long time because it works. Mix equal parts fresh lemon juice and baking soda in a bowl, creating a thick paste, and brush on your teeth for about 2 minutes. This teeth whitening mix may not taste amazing, but it will whiten your teeth. Lemon juice has brightening properties that have long been used to brighten and clean everything from countertops to skin. The acidity of the lemon juice helps it permeate the pores of your teeth and remove the stains. The baking soda acts as a neutralizer so that the lemon juice does not damage your teeth. The baking soda also works as a gentle scrub to open the pores of your teeth and help remove old stains. This trick can brighten your smile, but for a truly whiter grin, you can repeat once every 4 or 5 days for a few months. Be careful with lemon juice, as it can eat into your teeth enamel if left in your mouth too long. Rinse your mouth thoroughly after brushing your teeth with lemon juice and baking soda. Activated charcoal is becoming increasingly popular for many uses, including as a teeth whitener. Charcoal can be used as a toothpaste in a similar fashion to the hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. However, it is incredibly abrasive and can damage the tooth enamel. As such, it's more recommended to use it as a tooth mask rather than brushing with it. To do this, mix half a tablespoon of activated charcoal powder with a small amount of water to create a paste. Apply the paste to the teeth and let it sit for a couple of minutes. The charcoal is incredibly absorbent and will help to lift surface stains from the enamel. Once the time is up, rinse your mouth thoroughly to make sure there's no residue, particularly between your teeth. Combine this once or twice a week with your regular brushing and flossing. Oil pulling has long been a somewhat debated teeth whitening trick, but many people swear by its effectiveness. In order to oil pull, individuals take coconut oil and swish it around their mouths for 15 to 25 minutes before brushing their teeth. This method works by not only extracting stains near the surface of your teeth, but by improving your overall oral hygiene as well. Oil pulling also helps reduce the plaque and bacteria in your mouth, which leads to a healthier mouth and body, and in turn, a much whiter smile. This method of teeth whitening is completely safe and does not harm the enamel of your teeth in any way. Oil pulling may be a good option for those with particularly sensitive teeth. Whitening toothpaste is one of the easiest at-home options for brightening up your pearly whites. These kinds of toothpaste are readily accessible, cheap, and simple to use. Most grocery and drug stores will have them in stock. The active ingredients tend to be gentle abrasives such as sodium bicarbonate and chemicals like hydrogen peroxide. The results will take time and consistent use and may not be as dramatic as other options. However, for lightly stained teeth, it's an excellent choice. Another simple at-home teeth whitening product is whitening strips. Rather than abrasives, the active agent is chemicals, mainly peroxide and bleaches. To use, simply apply them to your teeth, wait the amount of time that is mentioned on the package, and remove them. There will be a noticeable difference within a week of daily use. Effective and inexpensive, strips are a great option, especially if you have an event coming up soon. Similar to whitening strips, gel trays also use whitening chemicals such as peroxide and bleach to remove surface staining. The critical difference is the application. Gel trays look like a mouthguard you might see in sports. You either brush the gel straight onto your teeth and put the tray over it, or fill the tray itself with the whitening gel. It's worn like a mouthguard for at least 30 minutes or even overnight, depending on the product. The benefits of the gel tray are that it is more thorough than the strips, and you're also able to target specific teeth. You can get basic trays in one-size-fits-all moldable trays or custom-made trays from your dentist. What you choose will depend on your budget and desired outcome. LED light whitening devices are the next step up from whitening gel trays. These systems come with a whitening gel and a tray, as well as an LED light device. The application is similar, with the addition of attaching the light to the tray and turning it on. The LED stays on for the duration, which can be 15 to 30 minutes, depending on the brand. The idea is that the effect of the carbamide peroxide in the gel is accelerated by exposing it to the light. This option can be more expensive than alternatives. However, you can effectively achieve a brighter, whiter smile in the comfort of your own home. Finally, rubbing banana peeler and orange rind on your teeth is another at-home option. The vitamins and minerals in the skins can remove stains without the abrasiveness of other remedies. Simply rub the inside of the peel or rind on your teeth for a couple of minutes, then rinse. Follow up with a thorough brush. Keep in mind, however, that there is no scientific evidence that this particular method works. You do need to be careful not to leave any residue, as the sugar in the skins can cause cavities. Additionally, the acid in the orange rind, if left on your teeth, can damage the enamel. The most efficient outcomes for whitening teeth will, of course, come from a visit to your dentist. Dentists have access to professional-grade whitening material and will be able to personalize your treatment for your teeth. In-chair treatments are similar to at-home light whitening devices. The bleach that dentists use is a higher percentage, and they will also customize the bleaching tray to reduce gum irritation and ensure a perfect fit. You'll need at least 2 sessions, one to mold the tray and one for the treatment. If professional whitening isn't sufficient, veneers create the perfect Hollywood smile. Veneers are a thin layer of porcelain or composite resin laid over the teeth to create a natural but uniform look. This is the most expensive option, and veneers are permanent, however, it's the best guarantee of perfect teeth. Just make sure you discuss the full pros and cons with your dentist first. On a more positive note, some foods can promote natural teeth whitening. An apple a day keeps the dentist away. Fibrous foods such as apples or celery scrub your teeth as you eat them and produce more saliva, which rinses your teeth. Strawberries are also a great option, as they contain malic acid that assists in whitening. Additionally, improving the strength of your enamel is all around beneficial. Calcium-rich foods such as cheese, nuts, and leafy greens will help, as will foods high in phosphorus like meat, eggs, and fish. Finally, drink water. Not only will you be hydrated, but drinking water, especially after eating, will rinse residual debris and sugars away. How about you? What strategies have you used to whiten your teeth? Have you found benefit from them? Any you suggest we stay away from? Let us know in the comments section below, and please to subscribe to Healthy Life for weekly tips backed by science. Stay healthy and have a great day.